Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Rishabh. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
Absolutely good. अमृतसर का क्या हाल चाल है?
अरे सर एकदम बढ़िया.
एकदम बढ़िया है.
हाँ जी, ठंडा मौसम है थोड़ा. और चल.
Okay. कितना टेम्परेचर है अभी अमृतसर में?
सर अराउंड 12 चल रहा होगा अभी.
12 चल रहा है?
हाँ जी सर.
अच्छा, अभी पंजाब में क्या लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन कैसा है ऋषभ?
सर पंजाब में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर तो ठीक है.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
बिल्कुल ठीक तो सर मैं नहीं बोल सकता.
Okay.
फ्लॉज हैं पर खराब नहीं बोल सकता सर मैं.
ठीक है.
जी सर.
आप ऋषभ ही हो ना?
हाँ जी सर.
Because you know,
I know. Yeah.
I'm saying on the lighter tone, you appear to be a
Younger one.
small kid, a very very small kid, honestly.
Okay.
So are you the real Rishabh?
Yes sir. I am the real Rishabh.
Okay, so Rishabh, if you have to, describe yourself or do a SWOT analysis on yourself,
Okay.
what would that be?
SWOT analysis. Can you please say in few words?
SWOT से आप क्या समझते हो ऋषभ?
सर वही जानना चाह रहा था सर.
So you don't know about SWOT analysis. That's okay. It's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats.
Okay, opportunity and threats.
This is typically for companies, right?
Okay.
When they analyze their business, but can be roughly applied to an individual. So you can tell us about your strengths and weaknesses.
Okay sir. So talking about my strengths, I will say confidence. Actually I'm into acting, so I think confidence is one of my keen strength. And talking about a weakness, sometimes I am too punctual. I want everyone to be punctual as well. So this can be one of my weakness, because when I am ready, for example for a party I'm ready, like the party starts at 8 and I'm ready for 7:30 to leave. I can't wait for the person, so that let's go, you should be punctual as well. So in that manner, and yeah, I have to tell one or to go for multiple. Hello.
What are your weaknesses?
Sir, I'm very strict for the punctuality part.
And don't give those kind of answers. Weakness should be a genuine weakness. I don't know if this is a prepared one that you've been coached to
No.
answer, right? To try and make a
Let me tell you another weakness. Maybe at times I am a little bit lazy.
You're both punctual and lazy.
Yes sir.
Those are contradictory.
Sir, like when there is a work, I'm when I have to go for a work, meetings, parties, then I am punctual. And when there is a Sunday kind of a day, then I'm lazy for those days.
Okay.
Yes sir.
At your work, you have had any appraisals,
Yes sir.
right? So what was your rating? I think over the last two appraisals,
The rating was 3 each.
3 out of 5.
Yes sir.
So that's very mediocre. That's average, right?
Yes sir. I said the same thing to my manager, so they said that don't think about this as an average salary. We give 3 to the ones who work up to the expectations.
Yeah. So basically, you have never exceeded expectations.
Maybe sir, my manager thinks so.
Have they given you any areas of improvement?
Actually, they told me to do that some extra curricular courses for the work.
Like,
Sir, there are like we work on some softwares like Pega and Sibyl. So we have to go in depth to learn new things in that softwares.
okay. Apart from that, about your work, any comments your manager gave?
Sir, actually, once he appreciated me because I have represented my project as a whole in Capgemini, and have represented Capgemini as a whole in other IT companies in the part of theatre and organizing events as well. Yes,
But,
sir.
no other areas of improvement improvement except for learning about the software.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Rishabh, it's very important that you get feedback on what are the areas of improvement. Because only when you know what you need to work on and improve,
Yes,
you
sir.
can be better.
Yes, sir.
So not having weaknesses is not a great thing. It's actually a bad thing. That means you only don't know about your weaknesses.
So I've told no, I've told two. You want more? Should I tell you more? I have to
No,
think
you
about it.
don't
Okay.
have to go into more. I'm just giving you a perspective.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Knowing about your weaknesses is a good thing because it helps you to work on it.
Sure, sir.
Or let's say areas of improvement. If you don't want to use the word weaknesses, it's areas of improvement.
Sure, sir.
Right? That is the more valuable thing
Yes, sir.
than any praises and all.
Yes, sir.
So you should talk to your manager and ask him,
Okay.
how can I really, improve and get to the next level?
Sure, sir.
Okay. What management qualities do you think you have?
Organizing, teamwork, maybe I think teamwork and maybe punctual can be one of them, and leadership qualities. I can settle down the issues easily. So and yeah, these things.
Okay, coming to your experience,
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us more about your work?
Work. So actually, sir, I work for a bank project, and in that project, what we do is we analyze the data and we feed the data in the systems accordingly, whether the customer has given us the right data or not. If there is any false information or there is a miscommunication with the customer, then we have to things that is called manual letter and escalation. Depends and there are certain comments which we have to put in according to the data.
What is this data about?
Sir,
Talk
it's
about
customers.
that.
Yeah.
It's not given me any idea about
Okay. So I will give you a in-depth thing. So actually, we get self-certs. In it, there is a section 1, section 2, and section 3. In section 1, the person writes about the name, a DOB, address, pin code, country. And section 2, it's a tin. Whether, like for example, I am from India, so I have to write. Yes.
Bishop, before you talk about sections, you talk about what is this form even about.
Okay, so it's a self-cert where we give our personal information. Self-certificate we can say, where we give.
Okay, so you need to remember that the person on the other side may not be fully aware of what you do.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Right, so you need to take the time to explain in a very clear manner.
Sure, sir. So actually, we get a form named self-cert in which the person gives all his details which a bank needs to open his or her account and to retain the information. Yes, sir.
So basically, it's a customer acquisition form.
Yeah, kind of. We can say that.
Okay, now you can explain. Now that you are given the context, you can explain. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
how do you expect that we understand?
No. Okay, sir. Sure, sir. So, in the form, there's section 1, its name, date of birth, address, and we have to check each and every part carefully. So, talking about section 2, the person has to tell us that whether he or she belongs to Australia or New Zealand or any other country. If any other country, he has to give TIN number. For example, for India, it's a PAN number. So for every country, there is a specific digits.
That's fine. There is a bunch of customer data.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, sir.
So don't again talk about the nuts and bolts. First, give a overall picture of what is done.
Okay, sir. And after that, there is.
Check all the customer fields.
Yes, sir. And in the section 3, there is a signature part, and this is the overall form. Then we check whether the name is matching, the address is matching, the TIN number format is correct or not. The signatures are there, and we have to check in our system in mandates that whether signatures are matching or not. And once all things are clear, then we put the data in there are two softwares named Pega and Sibyl. Then we update the data in those systems, in Pega and Sibyl. So
this just feels like a lot of manual labor. Except
sir, it's actually kind of, we can say, a bank work. It's kind of a banking work.
So many different things, but this looks like a very low end, manually checking data, that kind of work.
Yes, sir. It's that.
Sounds like a very low end repetitive kind of work.
Yeah, we can
Plans
say
to
that.
automate it?
The automation team is on it. It's getting on, but this will take time to get
That
automated.
is done, your job is gone.
No, sir. The once that is done, there are.
Developing on this.
So, sir, I told you that will take time, and after that, I will grow myself to another level, so that
That's fine.
That
What
is-
you may, but what I'm saying is that this job won't take.
yeah, after some years, I can say this job might not be there, because some things are the things which we have to verify manually. We can't automate in that manner.
Yeah, but it's, as I said, it's a very low end activity. You can't really grow in this.
Yes, sir. I agree with.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what are you doing to like maybe enhance your skills, make yourself ready for better roles?
Sir, I'm preparing.
Apart from MBA prep.
Okay, I was going to say that. That I was going apart from MBA.
That is if you get into a good skill score. But
Yeah, sir.
I'm talking about at your work itself.
So at its work itself, I've been known to all the processes going on. Like we have three parts. There are retail management. There is Australia department different. I have actually worked for ANZ Bank, Australia New Zealand Bank, and the retail department, Australia department, and New Zealand department. I have been trained for all those, and once the workload is more in the other departments, I get shifted to another departments as well.
Yeah, that is just what section you are dealing with, but the work remains the same, right?
Yes, sir. The work changes a little bit, but yeah, the
It's
kind of.
same,
Yes, sir.
right? So the skill set doesn't change.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who's the CEO of Capgemini
Sir, Indian CEO is Ashwin Yadi.
and global?
No, sir. I don't know about the global CEO.
One of the Indian CEOs has come from Capgemini. One of the CEOs of an Indian IT firm
Hmm.
came from Capgemini.
Came from Capgemini. Okay. I just know about the Indian CEO Ashwin Yadi.
No, one of the CEOs of the other firms, TCS, Infosys.
No, sir. I haven't heard about that,
Right?
sir.
He's a ex senior management person from Capgemini.
Sir, I haven't heard about him.
You haven't heard of Salil Parekh?
Salil Parekh. No, sir. I don't think so. I haven't.
Okay, now since you have heard about Salil Parekh,
Yes, sir.
with which organization is Salil Parekh working?
I haven't heard.
He has no clue. So
No. Yes, sir.
he's the CEO of Infosys.
CEO of Infosys. Okay. Salil Parekh.
So if you read news, you'll know that.
Who are the founders of Infosys? Infosys, you have heard, Rishabh?
Yes, sir.
Who are the founders?
Yes, sir. I'm not getting it right now.
No idea?
No, sir.
They belong to the city where you have been working for the last 2-3 years.
They are
Same city.
celebrities.
They're celebrities, yeah? They belong to the same city where you work. No idea?
No, sir.
Or who's the CEO of TCS?
Sir, I have heard that CEO of TCS died recently.
Sorry? Who
C-
died?
CEO of TCS died recently.
शुभ बोलो ऋषभ कोई कुछ अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है।
सर मैंने सुना था सर.
नहीं सुना था, जानते हो काफी फर्क है. Right, you can't talk about things without knowing things. Casually, right? This is an interview. So you have no idea about who are the senior managers in any of the IT companies except your own firm,
Yes, sir.
right? Even your own firm, you don't know the global CEO.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you read any newspapers?
So sometimes Economic Times.
Sometimes means is that once in a week, once in a month?
No, sir. It can be twice or thrice in a week. I generally read about the stocks.
Okay. So what do you think is the state of the Indian economy?
Sir, it will rise. We can see that there is a prediction that if for the quarter three there will be a GDP of 0.3 in positive, and privatizing the four banks will help the economy as well. And this time, in the budget, 20,000 crores has been given, which will boost the banking sector as well.
How does privatizing banks help the economy?
Sir, actually, privatizing banks help in the economy. In the factor is that the NPA part reduces, as the private banks are good at handling NPAs than the public banks.
Why are the public banks having high NPAs?
So the main reason is that they do a social work as well, because for example, if there is a poor person who wants to loan for an auto, so private banks don't give loans to them, but for farmers, for poor people, government banks give loan easily. And there were some loans I heard around like
So how is privatizing helping? Because that means the poor people won't get the loans.
I'm talking about the banking sector, the economy part.
No, economy part also depends on the poor people.
It depends upon it depends upon their expenditure as
The
well.
only reason?
No, sir, the main reason is that NPAs will reduce, and how they manage the work, that can be a strong
How
part,
will
sir.
NPA reduce? Is it only due to decrease of lending to the poor?
So it's not about only the poor. It's poor. The lending to the poor are generally NPAs, and it's a part of major chunk. Like I've heard in an Amritsar newspaper that there are 3 lakh autos running on Amritsar roads, out of which 1.5 lakh auto owners are having an NPA. This is the information I've heard in the newspaper.
Okay, very limited information.
So,
Most of the NPAs are due to defaults by big companies. Most small ticket loans are not NPAs, and their sum is not that much.
and sir, corruption.
Because the size is small, loan size is small. There are a single company which can default on tens of thousands of crores. And this is due to corruption in many cases,
Yeah, corruption.
which is more in public sector banks. Anyway,
Yes, sir.
do you know the growth rate projected for next year, 21-22?
Growth rate. I heard sir 7.5, I guess.
Who is our finance minister?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Okay. So, is this a projection by her or by anybody else?
No, not. I don't know, sir. Whom the projection is from.
Okay. Raju, any questions?
Rishabh, was this a campus placement?
No, sir. It's an off-campus placement, sir.
So you utilize your own contacts, or
Actually, the thing was that after the graduation was complete, the college knew that many of our students are not placed, so they were sending us links that you can. So I got a link on around, I guess, in mid of at the start of August, that there is an off-campus drive going on in Lovely Prasad University. It's near to my college, so you can go there on 18th of August, and you can join that off-campus drive.
and then you got selected in that?
Yes, sir. There were around 3 to 4 rounds, and I got selected in that. So that's the thing. The good thing, or I don't know, a unique thing is that in my whole class, I was the only one to get selected in Capgemini.
What do you think you would have done because of which you got selected?
Sir, I think again, determination can be one of the things, because on that day I was like, I have to crack it, because simultaneously